Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Okay, so today we are going to start our new topic of science, and that is germination in plants. That how seed become a big plant. How germination take place in seed. So first let's start reading, then I will explain you. Okay, so open page number 58. Germination in plants. Some plants give fruits. Every fruit has different type of seeds inside. Mango has one hairy big seed inside. We do not eat mango seeds. Watermelon has so many small seeds inside. We do not eat its seed too. Some seeds we love to eat, like nuts, are the fruits with hard shell. They have their tasty soft seeds inside. Seeds split under the soil and give us plants above the soil. Seeds grow into a plant when its environment is friendly. Seeds seem to be dead, but it is a living thing. It produces a new plant through a process called germination. Now these are the steps of germination, that how plants grow. Steps of germination. Number 1. Germination starts when seed receives right amount of water and temperature. Number 2. As water is taken in, the seed swells bigger and bigger. Number 3. The covering of seed called coat splits apart. Number 4. Getting the air, the seed grows a root to absorb water underground. Number 5. The shoot appears above ground. Number 6 point is, on the ground shoots grow leaves. Number 7. Leaves make food from sunlight through a process called photosynthesis. A good planter gives water to his plants daily. He keeps soil free from weeds and maintains the soil with manure and compost. Okay, so students, as you all know that every fruit has different types of seeds inside. Different fruits के अंदर different types of seeds होते हैं. Some fruits have just one seed inside it, and some have many seeds. And some seeds we like to eat, like nuts. So how this seed become a big plant? ये एक छोटा सा सीड इतना बड़ा प्लांट कैसे बनता है? This is just because of germination of seed. सीड की ग्रोथ की वजह से. So how seeds germinate? First, let me know about germination. Germination is a process by which a seed that is getting all the suitable conditions grows into a plant is called germination. Germination क्या है? जब सीड को suitable friendly environment मिलेगा तो ये grow करेगा एक big plant में. So students, suitable or friendly environment means when seed receives sunlight, air and water, then it starts germination. Now let's discuss about stages of germination. How germination take place? Germination starts when seed receive right amount of water and temperature. As water is taken in, the seed swallows bigger and bigger. Seeds जब पानी टेम्परेचर रिसीव कर लेता है एक राइट अमाउंट में, तो क्या कहते हैं, रूट्स बाहर निकलना शुरू हो जाती हैं. एंड दीज रूट्स एब्जॉर्ब वाटर, और जो सीड कोट होता है, जो कवरिंग ऑफ सीड होती है, वो क्या होती है, स्प्लिट आउट हो जाती है. एंड देन द शूट अपीयर्स अबव ग्राउंड. शूट्स ऊपर, ग्राउंड से ऊपर ग्रो होना शुरू होती हैं. एंड ऑन द ग्राउंड शूट्स ग्रो लीव्स. शूट्स क्या करती हैं, लीव्स ग्रो करना स्टार्ट हो जाती हैं. एंड दीज लीव्स मेक फूड फ्रॉम सनलाइट थ्रू अ प्रोसेस कॉल्ड photosynthesis. फोटोसिंथेसिस इज़ अ प्रोसेस, ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जब लीव्स ग्रो हो जाते हैं तो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट लीव्स फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं प्लांट के लिए। दिस इज़ हाउ अ न्यू प्लांट इज़ बॉर्न। और इसी तरह एक छोटे से सीड से एक बड़ा प्लांट ग्रो होता है। So students, a good planter gives water to his plants daily and keeps soil free from weeds and maintain soil with manure and compost. एक अच्छा प्लांटर क्या करता है? वाटरिंग करता है प्लांट को डेली और अनवांटेड प्लांट्स जो होते हैं उनको रिमूव करता है। एंड इट गिव्स मैन्योर। मैन्योर इज़ अ एनिमल डंक, जो डंक होता है गोबर जिसे कहते हैं एनिमल का, दैट इज़ यूज फॉर फर्टिलाइजिंग लैंड। इससे ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप नाउ इट्स क्लियर दैट हाउ जर्मिनेशन टेक प्लेस इन प्लांट्स। नाउ ओपन योर science activity book and open page number 22 and 23, and you have to do these both exercises, exercise A and exercise B. Then we will do some question answers in science copy. So take out your copy, write serial number 5, today's date 4th September 2020, chapter 5, germination in plants. Now first make a beautiful title page of chapter 5, germination in plants. Then write heading question answer. Heading with blue color, write today's date. Okay, question number 1. What do plants need to grow? Answer. All plants need to grow water, air, sunlight and soil. Question number 2. What is meant by germination? Answer. Development of a new plant from the new seed is called germination. Question number 3. What is photosynthesis? Answer. Leaves make food from sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Now do neat and clean work, then take an image and send it to me. Okay students, you have to submit this work on Monday, so you have 3 days. Do neat and clean work, then take image and send it to me.